How to fix SIM card storage is full problem on Android. So if you want to fix SIM card storage is full problem on your Android, then first you need to open up your settings on your Android phone. After that, scroll down and click on the app management or the apps option. From the apps, you need to go with manage apps. Now here you need to search for messages. After searching, tap on the messages and then just simply go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, tap on OK, and now go back. And then if your storage is full, you can try deleting some videos or some applications as well. So you need to just simply go with the application that you don't use, tap and hold on to the application, and then go with the app info. From the app info, you need to tap on uninstall and then tap on OK. And in this way, you'll be able to uninstall some applications and you will have enough storage. So that's how you can fix SIM card storage is full problem on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.